on Big Grizzly Mountain. Part wasn't bad at all.
It was nothing like that.
No.
It was super smooth.
Super smooth. That was awesome. That was really good.
That was good. That was much better than I thought it was going to be.
It's got all kinds of fish on it.
It does.
Stay seated, prospectors. 坐稳了，看看家们。你冇見到邊有有運行啊 ？Oh, we'll see more bears. That's good luck. 真希望我们能看到更多的熊，期待好运吧。
That was way more intense than thunder. Yeah, that was good.
Okay, so we just got off Big Grizzly Mountain, which is right behind us, and it's sort of their version of Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. It's way better, actually.
Yeah. It's more exciting.
The first half, I would say, is a little bit quite tame, a little bit like Big Thunder Mountain. And then it goes backward, and from there, that thing kicks.
Yeah.
It really cooks. And the backward section is quite lengthy, actually.
Yeah, and I have to say it was very smooth. Like, it's
Oh.
nothing like the Everest where it has the helix afterwards and it kind of will give you
Makes
some
you
motion
sick,
sickness.
yeah.
This backwards doesn't give you motion sickness.
For sure. I mean, I can't, like, for comparison purposes, I can do Everest once. If I try to do it twice, I get super sick to my stomach. This thing, nothing. I mean, it was fantastic. I loved it, and I just wasn't even expecting that. I didn't know what to expect. I was just expecting another Big Thunder Mountain, but It was so good. It was so good. And we did come to this section of the park right when it opened. Now this section opens a half an hour later than the rest of the park. But we rushed in with everybody else.
Yeah, everybody ran through.
Stampeding, almost getting run over yet again. And it's funny, we did talk to another American, some people that were from America. They live over here, and they said that's just common over here. That's what happens.
Yep.
People just run everywhere.
Yep.
So just be wary of that when you come here, because we're not runners, like we said earlier.
Yeah, and we only had to wait like 20 minutes for it.
Yeah, and the time went by so fast because we were chatting with her, and she was lovely. So she will probably never see this, but it was great talking to you. Yeah, I mean, this was so good, and if you're here, you have to ride this. I mean, this is one that
it's very unique.
cannot be passed up. Definitely cannot be passed up.